In this guide, we will provide effective solutions to fix AirDrop Declined in iPhone. Fix 1. Check Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. To resolve the AirDrop Declined issue, ensure that both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your devices. Swipe down from the home screen to access the iPhone Control Center and turn on both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can also enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi through the device settings. Fix 2. Check AirDrop receiving settings. If AirDrop declined automatically, set it to everyone on both the sending and receiving devices to see if this resolves the issue. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your device and choose AirDrop. Step 2. You'll see the 3 options. Select Everyone to receive files from any device. Fix 3. Check the distance between the devices. If the devices are too far apart, the transfer may fail. Additionally, physical obstacles such as walls or wireless interference can impact AirDrop's connection quality. Therefore, it is crucial to ensure that the devices are within the effective range. Fix 4. Check device compatibility. Step 1. Go to Settings General About to check if your current iOS is compatible with AirDrop. Step 2. Next, tap Software Update to view the latest available iOS version for your device. Step 3. Click Download and Install to update to the newest version. Fix 5. Reset network settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Select General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 3. Tap Reset Network Settings and follow the prompts to complete the process. Fix 6. Check Firewall settings. Step 1. Open System Settings on your macOS device, then select Network and turn off the firewall switch. Step 2. Enter your Mac's admin password if prompted to authorize the change. Step 3. Once the firewall is disabled, your Mac will accept more connection requests, including AirDrop file transfers. Fix 7. Restart the devices. Sometimes temporary issues can cause AirDrop to malfunction. Restarting both the sending and receiving devices can help resolve these problems. After rebooting, try using AirDrop to transfer files again.